to discuss the steps in regard to the completion of the brownfield cleanup at the General Motors site. We look forward to the completion of the cleanup and the development of the site, which will mean significant tax revenues to our village, our schools, employment for area residents, as well as a big boost to the economy of Sleepy Hollow and the surrounding communities. The one issue which I would like to discuss tonight relates to the environmental benefit project. He's calling it the environmental benefit project, but I believe he means the natural damages.
Yeah, there's no environmental benefit project associated with this. It would be restoration of natural resources projects.
The village understands that in addition to the actual cleanup of the site, that the New York State Department of Environmental Conservation is requiring that GM make a payment of $875,000 for an environmental benefit project along the Hudson River.
Restoration project.
Restoration project.
Okay.
It is the position of the village that this money should be expended on a project in or near Sleepy Hollow and not at some distant location across the river north or south of Sleepy Hollow. In this regard, we have two suggestions. A, there's a bathhouse at Kingsland Point Park which has been restored with the assistance of private donations and Scenic Hudson and the county. There will be an educational center at the bathhouse that may include some type of aquatic farm which would be utilized as a learning facility for both children and adults. We believe that this would be an appropriate utilization of the $875,000. Alternatively, the Pecanico River, which empties into the Hudson River, is in dire need of shoreline restoration and dredging. The improvement of the river and its shoreline would be of great benefit to the village of Sleepy Hollow, the restoration, and the entire area. Therefore, we request that DEC give consideration to utilizing the money's damages that it will receive from GM for either of those two environmental benefit projects. The village stands ready to work closely with DEC and GM on either of these projects. Thank you for your consideration.
Thank you. Anybody else?
I was just wondering, I'm Dolores Seiler. We just moved here from Rye and we live in